In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier Tables to enhance your workflow efficiency and data management like never before. Whether you're looking to track leads, manage tasks, store customer information, or even power intricate automated workflows, Zapier Tables can be your go-to tool, and I'm here to walk you through getting started with it. Zapier Tables is essentially a built-in database within Zapier. It allows you to store, organize, and manage data effectively right inside your existing Zapier environment without having to rely on a separate spreadsheet app. This means you can seamlessly integrate your data storage needs with your automated workflows, creating a streamlined process for managing different tasks or information. Let's get started by setting up your first Zapier table. First, you'll need to locate an option labeled Create on the left-hand side of your Zapier interface. This is your starting point. By clicking Create, you'll be opening up a variety of potential actions, and what you're looking for in this array is the Table option. Once you find and select Table, you're essentially initializing the setup of your database. After clicking on Table, you'll be prompted to set up the specifics of your new table. This could include defining what types of information you want to store and manage. Think about the kind of data that will best support your current processes or automate tasks more efficiently. For instance, are you capturing lead details? Perhaps you're organizing tasks for a team, or maybe you're looking to store customer information. Clearly defining this at the table setup phase will be crucial. As you work, remember that clarity is key. Giving your table a descriptive name, one that clearly conveys its purpose, will be a big help in keeping your data organized. And because Zapier Tables automatically integrate with other apps and services within your Zapier ecosystem, you will be set up to create powerful, data-driven workflows that can automate tasks like sending emails based on customer information updates, or logging and organizing new tasks as they come through. While its primary function is data storage, the real power of Zapier Tables lies in its ability to play nice with your existing automated workflows. This integration can drastically cut down on manual data entry, minimize errors, and ensure that your data can seamlessly inform and trigger actions across all your connected Zapier applications. By the end of this process, you will have created a robust tool for storing and coordinating your data directly within Zapier, strengthening your automated processes while keeping data management as simple and integrated as possible. If this overview feels like it's opened doors for you, I encourage you to dive deeper and explore all the different ways Zapier Tables can transform how you handle data. Thank you for joining me today, and happy streamlining.